talking about drugs. A drug, French word drogue, means a dry herb is a chemical substance which, when taken in, alters the body functions. Drug can be any chemical substance that alter the function of one or more body organs or changes the process of disease. The physician prescribes drug to prevent or cure disease or otherwise enhance physical and mental welfare. Some drugs have a particular risk on repeated use, the patient becoming totally depend on them. This is called drug dependence or addiction. There are two major forms of drug dependence. Number one, physical dependence. It occurs when the drug is necessary simply to maintain bodily comfort. Its disuse causes withdrawal symptoms. Second one is physiological dependence, exists where a drug is necessary for mental or emotional comfort. Withdrawal symptoms here can be as severe as they are for physical dependence. Physiotropic drugs means mood altering drugs act on the brain and alter one's behavior, consciousness, and power of perception. Four categories of physiotropic drugs are sedative or tranquilizers, opioids, stimulants, hallucinogens. Sedative and tranquilizers, these drugs having a depressing switching off effect on the activity of the brain. Sedative produce a feeling of calmness, relaxation, or drowsiness. In high dose, sedative induce sleep. Tranquilizers reduce tension and anxiety without inducing sleep. Barbiturates are the most important sedative hypnotics sold under a variety of trade names including Nimbutal, Seconal, Tunal, and Amital. They act on the cerebral cortex, midbrain, and hindbrain. Their effect is to reduce anxiety and induce drowsiness and sleep. Now I'm talking about opioids. Opioids is obtained from the unripe seed pod of the poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum. It has an analgesic, means pain killing effect, and may reduce anxiety and tension and lower the blood pressure and breathing rate. Opium and its derivative, which include morphine, codeine, and heroin, are among the drugs collectively known as narcotic drugs. Necro means sleep. Morphine has sleep and dream inducing properties. Codeine is milder than morphine and used in cough syrup. Narcotics include addiction of used repeatedly, and heroin is the most dangerous narcotic. Another opium derivative, brown sugar, is chemically known as diacetylmorphine hydrochloride. It is more powerful analgesic than morphine. Injection of opioids produce rush or sudden pleasurable sensation. The rush is followed by a great sense of well-being, accompanied by a marked decrease in physical drive. Withdrawal syndrome following abrupt discontinuation of the drug and are usually very violent with heavy addiction. Now I'm talking about stimulants. The stimulants are drugs that temporarily increase the mental alertness, self-confidence, and excitement. They are also known as mood elevators and increase nerve activity in the brain by initiating the release of noradrenaline. There are two main groups of stimulant drugs. Number one, central nervous system stimulant, example amphetamine drug, and second one is respiratory stimulants, example antileptic drugs. Central nervous system stimulant reduce drowsiness and increase alertness by their action on the reticular activities symptom in the brainstem. Respiratory stimulant act on the respiratory center in the medulla. Mildest among the stimulant is caffeine, a constituent of coffee, tea, chocolate, and many colas. It works by stimulating nerve cell metabolism. Caffeine increase alertness and decrease fatigue and boredom. It also speeds the heart rate, increase blood pressure, and urine formation. People who consume very large amount of coffee may develop caffeineism. The symptoms are insomnia, high blood pressure, and increased body temperature. Withdrawal symptoms of caffeine include headache and irritability. Amphetamines and cocaine are strong stimulants. Amphetamines include a number of commercial drugs such as benzodrine, dextradrine, and methanadrine. Their chemical properties are similar to those of epinephrine. They cause great burst of energy and that can overcome the feeling of fatigue. Because amphetamines are effective in improving performance or reduce physical state, they are sometimes used by athletes. Cocaine is an alkaloid obtained from the leaves of coca plant, that is Erythroxylum coca, native to South America. It can be taken in a variety of ways like sniffing, smoking, intravenous injection, etc. Cocaine interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter dopamine. Crack is a purified form of cocaine. It is usually shortened and causes seizures and cardiac arrest. Now talking about hallucinogens. Hallucinogens induce certain drug of abuse, also called psychedelic drugs such as LSD, marijuana, mescaline, and psilocybin. These drugs have a strong effect on cerebrum and sense organ and take the user to a world of fantasy, giving him false and temporary happiness. Hallucinogens can alter a person's thought, feeling, and perceptions. So, drug refers to any chemical substance which, when taken, alter the way of body functions. अगर जनरल बात करें तो ये डिजीज़ को क्योर करने में यूज़ होते हैं, फिजिकल और मेंटल वेलफेयर को इन्हांस करते हैं और कुछ मूड को चेंज करते हैं. जब ये ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए लिए जाते हैं तो पेशेंट जो है वो टोटली ड्रग पे डिपेंड हो जाता है, इसे ड्रग डिपेंडेंस बोलते हैं. और ये ड्रग जो है ब्रेन पे एक्ट करती हैं जिससे कि बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है, कॉन्शियसनेस पे फ़र्क पड़ता है और पावर ऑफ परसेप्शन पे भी चेंजेस आते हैं. कभी कभी इन ड्रग्स को मूड ऑल्टरिंग ड्रग्स के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. ये जो है हमारे माइंड की बेस पे ही क्लासीफाई की गई हैं. हाइपोनोटिक्स वो ड्रग हैं जो इंड्यूस करती हैं आर्टिफिशियल बट नॉर्मल स्लीप को. Sedatives are the drug that produce a calming effect, bring about a state of physical and mental comfort, accompanied by a reduction of even suspension of mental activity. A state of physical and mental comfort accompanied by a reduction or even suspension of mental activity and finally leading to complete suppression of consciousness. Such drugs include cocaine and opium. नार्कोटिक्स वो ड्रग होती हैं जो डिप्रेशन करती हैं सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम पे और स्लीपनेस को प्रोड्यूस करती हैं. ये पावरफुल एल्कलॉइड होते हैं और स्मॉल अमाउंट में भी ये काफ़ी काम करते हैं. कोमा में भी इनको यूज़ किया जाता है और कंटिन्यूड यूज़ ऑफ सच ड्रग मेक द इंडिविजुअल एडिक्ट. ज़्यादा यूज़ करने से इसका एडिक्शन हो जाता है. ये ड्रग्स जो है ना केवल मेंटल डिस्टर्बेंस करती हैं बल्कि फिजिकल डिस्टर्बेंस भी इससे होता है. These habit forming drugs have brought mystery to millions in every part of the globe. In case of opium and its derivative, particularly morphine and heroin, addiction is very strong. Heroin is the most dangerous of this group of drug. इट्स विड्रॉल सिम्टम इंक्लूड वॉमिटिंग होती है इससे, हीरोइन से डायरिया होता है, शिवरिंग, ट्विंचिंग, परसेप्शन एंड एब्डोमिनल और मसल्स क्रैम्प हो सकते हैं. और अगर इन सिम्टम का प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट कराया जाए तो कुछ दिनों बाद बॉडी नॉर्मल हो सकती है. ट्रैंकुलाइजर्स की बात करें तो ये वो ड्रग्स हैं जो मेंटल रिलैक्सेशन देती हैं, टेंशन में और कॉन्शियसनेस में काम आती हैं. ये ऑफन यूज़ होती हैं फीलिंग्स को और एक्सप्रेशन को या आउटवर्ड बिहेवियर को पेशेंट के सही करने के लिए स्लीपिंग में काम आती हैं और बहुत वाइडली यूज़ होती हैं ये फिजियोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर में. स्टिमुलेंट्स वो ड्रग्स होते हैं जो हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम को स्टिमुलेट करते हैं. एम्फीटामीन्स एंड कोकीन स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टिमुलेंट्स में आते हैं. ये एक्साइटमेंट की फीलिंग देते हैं और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस देते हैं, आइडियाज़ डेवलपमेंट करते हैं. जबकि हेलुसिनोजेंस जो हैं वो सेरिब्रल एक्साइटेशन करते हैं और इसमें कलर्ड विज़न की प्रॉब्लम जो है वो हो सकती है कभी कभी. or and unusual amusement and fear of and later intense cerebral depression भी हो सकता है. They also distort the mind and even alter the personality. The user lost all this feeling of earthly existence. His awareness of memory, power of observation, and ability to reason are impaired. Space and time become more and more disorganized. His awareness of memory, power of observation, and ability to reason are impaired. Space and time become more and more disorganized. Owing to misjudgment of distances, the user many tumble headlong while negotiating step of all hallucinations. Hemp plant cannabis sativa is fairly mild, but the compound mescaline from peyote and psilocybin and bufotenine for certain mushrooms are more potent. The most potent hallucinogen is, however, the chemical lysergic and acid diethylamide (LSD). Now I am talking about drugs. A drug, French